Welcome to Cigars with M. Today's topic is how to use a Lampe. Lampe burgers are catalytic lamps that eliminate intense odors by removing the molecules and diffusing a fragrance. As we learned in a previous episode, how to reduce cigar smoke in your house, this lamp can also be used as a way to reduce cigar smoke. Grab your Lampe, your refill liquid, your funnel, and your wick. Remove the Lampe top to insert the refill liquid into the Lampe. Use your funnel to make sure that you insert the liquid into the Lampe. Fill it up to 2/3. Once you have filled the Lampe up to 2/3, remove the funnel and insert the wick. Once you have inserted the wick, let the Lampe sit for 20 minutes with the refill liquid and the wick all in one before you light your Lampe. After you have allowed your Lampe to sit for 20 minutes, light your wick and let it burn for 2 minutes and then blow it out. Once you blow out the Lampe, place the top back on the Lampe for the fragrance to fill the room.